Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabet A to Z. Stay with us. First we are opening colors. Wow. Light pink color, yellow color, orange color, Persian blue color. Yes. Light green color, black color. Okay, the next one is blue color. Yes. Dark pink color, dark green color, red color, silver color, brown color, white color. Okay, the last one is sky blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z.